Select the Meta Rig from the previous project. Under Data Properties, open Advanced tab and delete all three datas, then click Generate Rig. Position the rig and apply a transform. In Edit mode, adjust bones to the body. When done positioning, Ctrl A to all transform, right-click to set origin to the geometry. Apply modifiers to all pieces in the head, Ctrl J to join all the face parts. Click the body first and rig second, then Ctrl P to apply automatic rig to the character. Check the rigs. Yay! Wee! Looking good! But notice for these patty parts. Let's fix it. Lock only the head bones under Data Object Property tab. Look for Depth Spine 006, which is the head bone. Delete all unlocked groups, head over to the edit mode and assign all weight to 1 to Depth Spine 006 and assign rest of the others 0 weight. Head is all set now. Let's test other parts. They're all looking good. Now let's attach crown to the head. Click the crown, then select the rig. In pose mode, click the head rig. Ctrl P to parent to the bone. Back to the pose mode, test the body rig. Okay, crown is attached to the head. Then test rest of the other body parts. Looking good. Alrighty, enjoy the finished rig. This is optional, but you can hide the unnecessary rig layers to simplify the rig. And we're finally done. Yay! Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye!